Let me say this with clear note and capital letter. Tag Akuzayon for me. Let me say this. Akuzayon, I saw on a video. Thank you. Cosmos. Hello. Thank you for watching me from Japan. Now, help me tag Akuzayon. Help me tag Akuzayon. Help me tag Akuzayon. Hold on, let me adjust these pictures. Help me tag Akuzayon. Help me tag Akuzayon. Let me say this. I saw on a video where Ogechi Okekenjaka was telling Akuzayon and Zion members to be careful of Governor Ezioku. And I want to ask one question. Have you ever seen me betray or speak negative against Evangelist Ebukobi? That's number one. And I don't support Evangelist Ebukobi. Take this from me. I only support any truth that comes out from him or any truth that comes out from anybody. It doesn't matter whom you are. That is what I support. Underline this. 2. Akuzayon. Have you ever asked me anything or lay anything to my ear that I told another person or that I used against you or against any individual at all? Akuzayon, have you ever experienced this thing before? Has anybody ever complained to you apart from Ogechi that the person told me anything and I started using that thing against that person? Akuzayon, answer me. Answer me. Facts and figure is bigger than Ashi. That one is one. Akuzayon, the only thing I know I have done on camera was the day there was issues between, that is an assumption, issues between Reverend Fadejike Mbaka and Ebukobi, of which if I wanted to act the core Igbo man I am, I will not speak against Mbaka. The reason is this. For decades, this Mbaka, if not for anything that should have made me to avoid talking about him that day, should have been for the fact that this Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka have helped people till this morning, till this evening. There are people that will feed this evening through the table of Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka. For that alone, I was supposed to keep every sentiment apart and respect him, not just as a priest, but as a senior brother, too, as one of the greatest watchovers over a common man. Are you getting what I'm saying? I was not even supposed to talk about him for no reason whatsoever. But because, and if I want to judge rightly, Mbaka did not mention anybody's name. I hope you remember. I hope you do remember. But because I wanted every Igbo man, Obumi, with your business anywhere, including your church, and you want to bring it home, if anybody is trying or anything is trying to stop you, I've had it, Joma. Let me reduce it the more. If at all Sorry, I've reduced it. So that alone was the main reason why. And when I heard that it was to be relocated to Imo State, I wanted development for my people. I wanted development for my people, and that is all. But if you bring these two people that we are having issues to me like this, that I should pass judgment, I will tell you that they are my brothers. Okay, let me own up to this, that I went too far on that because of Ebukobi, who happens to be an Imolite. Accusation upon all the pressure, upon all the steps, upon everything people did to shut me up. Did I betray Ebukobi? Did any of you pay me kobo to stand against Mbaka? No kobo, nothing, nothing on that fight. My interest, because every human being has interest. Every human being has interest, either politically or otherwise. My interest was on the attraction of Ebukobi to Imo State for development. But I tell you that even if Reverend Fadejike Membaka comes to my own state also to invest on agriculture or anything that will attract development to my place, I will still sign to it. Now, Zion, I saw where this lady was making video and telling Zion members to be against me, to be careful of me, as if I live in Zion Ministries. Do I live in Zion Ministries? Zion, point out 3 persons I have betrayed before. Then I will show you 30 persons or 300 persons Ogechi have betrayed. I will show you 300 persons. 300 persons. More than 300. This lady a betrayed. Hold on. Let me remove her picture from here for a particular reason. Because of I'm Rikija report to where. I get report to the account. I have they may be reporting a picture had attached here. So Facebook will put down this video. That's my reason of removing it. So allow that of Reverend Fadejike Membaka and Ebukobi to be here. So let me tell you this. Point out 3 persons amongst friends, great people that has been with me, who confide in me. I am only trying to separate Paul and Barnabas. She was making that statement. Let me say this open. No, I am not talking to Ebukobi. I am not sagaring Ebukobi. I am not sagaring anybody. What Ogechi Okeke Njaka does is, she will go and wedding people, fighters, to come and sympathize with her. And that's what she's trying to do. With that name she was mentioning, Zion. If you will hear, take. You know Governor Zogu too well. Zion. Have you ever confided in me before? And I open my mouth to tell it to the next person, the nearest person around me. But go and mark today's date. Go and mark today's date. Keep today's date somewhere. Today is 24th day of May. Zion, my own go and watch. Take today's date. Keep 24th day of May. That I said to you that the same Ogechi who said you should be careful of me, that Zion members should be careful of me. Go and mark today's day, 24th day of May. Ogechi Okeke Njaka, will wake up one morning and war Zion ministries. I am telling you, go and write this thing somewhere. And Zion, because she mentioned you, because she mentioned Zion ministries, let me tell you something, Zion, this is pure. Shebia was in Aba to advertise Zolobitas. Nah, okay, Wabia. Day before yesterday, how many bottle of Zolobitas comes on?
The one on Kaigo inside. Or the 15.
Or the 15, Abi?
Yes.
Okay. But about all Kenyan Habi?
I will all Kenyan house.
Okay. The whole of Maya Nji main people Ogechi as a day before yesterday was all Zolo. Even went to get it in the city of Port Harcourt, they were hard. The moment we are coming back from Eleme, I ought to buy it from Rumo Krushi. Then I was there marketing this. I have posted it severally, right? Tell that Chicago that she would have come and joined you to do this. Between me and Ogechi Kenjaka, go and mark it today. Ogechi will betray you, Zion. Write this somewhere. Before the Shanamite woman stand as one. If it doesn't happen, well, alright? Go and write it somewhere. What she's trying to do now is to bring in people massively to come and start fighting for her or defend her. That's what she's trying to do. She has seen that Zion has crowd. Then she wants to find herself in the midst of Zion members to use them to catch crews on the internet. Go and mark my word today. If somebody pays her better, she fights you. Evangelist Bukobi, Zion and Zion members will the body with the name of Prophet Bukobi be more precious to Ogechi's mouth to eat and swallow more than the precious name of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, whom this Ogechi Kenjaka once appeared on camera, used this name to raise funds and ate those monies. Today, that same Nnamdi Kanu has become a leftover for this girl or this lady. Sorry, I call her Mama because she's a grandmother. If she did not respect as somebody who once used the platform of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, let me add the precious authority to his name, the sacred Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. If she did not fear, and tactically avoid that great name and man who has paid price for the common man, she was able to use his name, Guonde Maduwayo, nationwide, worldwide, and spent the money. Do you know one thing I fear about criminals? No matter the amount of money they must have stolen, go and check them. They will never look better than they were yesterday. I told her, Governor Zoku is your last channel. Don't go there. I believe people must have advised you, but you wouldn't listen. Facts and figure. the while, upon the millions of naira she raised with the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has she footed the bill of 2 persons alone to be appearing at the court of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu every time? If I was the one who made such profit from the name of one man, if I was the one who has made such profit from the name of one man, then I should have known that the liberty of that man, the name of that man, the name of such man is attached to my destiny to remain loyal under him. Then through him I would have become better. Accusation, listen. And Zion members should listen. Prophet Ebukobi, listen. She did not respect those sacred names. She betrayed Nnamdi Kanu and used his name on camera, of which I watched some of the videos, to raise money. Nigerian police, Nigerian authority, the same lady who used Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's name to raise millions of naira, squandered and swallowed the money. Are you sure if she did not use those monies to sponsor part of the terrorism in the southeast? Go and check this thing I am saying. Please, the DSS, the Interpols, the Nigerian Senate, did you people probe that source of contribution to an individual who has never been fair to a commoner, to everybody in Nigeria? She always go anywhere. She always go anywhere she sees an opportunity to mix something. Then for one go out here, come. Let me tell you. One go sit down. Let me tell you. I know you're here, you're watching. People will share to you. Have you seen any brand? Have you ever seen any brand at all Ogechi sagged for and the brand breathed well? Point one brand. One got here, point one brand. She has ghost followers of 1.2 million, and that is why so many of you wants to bow to her. I don't want to call Akosayon on the phone to tell him this, and I'm not a gossiper. I could just call him or send him a voice note. I could even travel from where I am. If I could, in Lagos. 1 minute I say I want ticket, even if I am sick. So, if I get book room first class, I will be anywhere to see you. The Zion lawyers, I will go as far as reaching out to many of you and point out this fact to you if it were necessary on call. One got here. You think Ogechi is doing good to you because I asked you. Because I asked you to pay people their money, right? One got here. You are breeding a rabbit that will soon turn to a lion against you. Go and mark today's date somewhere. I need to be civil. Now what she's trying to do is to bring in, right now, nobody is fighting Ebukobi, nobody is fighting Zion anymore. Nobody is fighting Zion at this point. But go and mark my word, before Ogechi will leave, there will be more saga against Zion ministries, more than the one Zion must have faced in the past months. Go and write this thing somewhere. They are with facts and figure. Go and write. Zion members, do you guys see Zion ministry members, all their chapters in the United States, do you see them associating with Ogechi Okeke Njaga, either on WhatsApp group or on a facial meeting? Have you ever seen it before? Before you now bring this person to yourself, is my point here. I did remember how these people waded me into the matter of Mbaka. I did remember. And many of them were on my phone every day. Hello, fight, where Denka. And at some point I say, come on, I need to work out of this. Ask one of them, I don't want to mention name. Did them on a phone? Why are people calling me? I'm on live video. Ask one of them. Now, ne bully, now blog on the internet. I don't want to call them because someone can't hear home. This thing in a same me. Post them back attack. The day you were born. Imepanyagi were for your father. How many hands have your father helped more than Mbaka? That was a better matter no end there. Nobody should tell me that I'm going out of the track. Allow me to say my mind. Allow me to say my mind. Because if I didn't talk, you wouldn't know. Sometimes I need to speak. I need to speak for myself. Cynthia Odike Ngono Kabad. Odike Ngono Kabad. You have never seen me for one day. Go and check those bloggers. Abiahasi, Tora Hego, Tora Hanka. So many of them a bit of a fight is Zion right now. Did I shift? Did I shift? Did I shift from my position? Did I shift from telling you that I want them to relocate to Imo State? That's my support. And I cannot withdraw it. No. But has he done what is wrong and I didn't tell him? I'm waiting. Hence he has done nothing. I have no need bullying him because I'm not getting anything. It is madness. Go and check many of them. The day that cockroach in their mouth runs dry, starts complaining for water, they will start vomiting it against you. They will start vomiting it against you. Go and check their posts. They are members of IPOB yesterday. Today they are against IPOB. Next tomorrow they are supporting Reverend Father Ejike Membaka. Next tomorrow they are fighting against Ejike Membaka. The other time they are supporting Zion Ministries. Right now they're beginning to realize that they are not supposed to follow Zion Ministries. Have I stopped being white and turned to become black? Have I stopped from being red and turned to become yellow? I have not. That's one point. Now, Akuzayon, come. Zion members, please listen to me. I have no issue related with Zion Ministries or against them. One God I here did not collect money from anybody and now send the money to Ebukobi. So I have nothing against Ebukobi. Ogechi is just trying to sweep in the matter, attach or drag Zion Ministries into it. I have no issue, no one single issue with Zion Ministries. So why is she trying to drag, emotional blackmail? Let me tell you one thing. Zion members, if you want to verify this thing I'm telling you, just screw this live broadcast, screw it up. There are 193 persons watching right now. Once Ogechi is on live broadcast, go and check. Before she had issues with Onyo Bodo, if she's on live videos those days, I used to monitor her. It was 31 persons, 32 persons. Before you know it, 80 persons. Because onyo bodo tinyeri ono, otam tigarali ono na, oye nwezuzi 100 followers, 100 views. Because nam tigarali ono. So why is she trying to bring in Zion? Maybe so that maybe I will be provoked and start speaking against them. The answer is no. Like, looking at me right now, I've decided many things. You cannot see me fight against Mbaka. And if I have fought against Mbaka before, I apologize to that. I will not try it. After all, Ebukobi was a son to Reverend Father Mbaka. Should I remind you guys? So, must you wed me into what you're doing? Must you wed me into it? Let him come. Now, let me ask you, Zion and Zion members, will your meat be more avoidable to be consumed by Ogechi, Okeke, and Jaka, who once opened her mouth in the United States? Help me hit the like and love button. Oya Potananka easily. Because you are not talking to a daft person. You are not trying to use your emotional blackmail against a daft person. I also understand the theories. I understand the theories of blackmail. I'm telling you. You can't drag me in. You cannot drag me into one ye matter. From there, you now want to push me that it will be seen that I am against Zion members. How? How? Did I tell you I am fighting Zion? Did I ever say on camera that Ebukobi Wagata pays him tight or thereabouts? I didn't go close to that. You know the next thing they are going to tell me? You know the next thing that that gazetted Nwe will say now? Niaji, the nude picture of Governor Zoku. That's the next thing you see. So I am putting this, I'm stating it in the open space. Ogechi, put aside the Zion ministers. I've got no issues with them. I've got no issues with them. I have nothing to do, I have nothing against them. So why are you trying to use Zion to stage a fight where there is no fight anywhere? I'm not that kind of person. I am not. The issues on ground was not even, you are not even involved in it. So the next thing they will say is, they frame up my voice. They say they got my nude. You have the nude picture of everybody here. And what's the nude picture all about? Because comfortably I can even remove my clothes here. If I am mad like you. If I am mad like you. So that's the next thing you will frame up. Or you start talking jargon, you push people. For those people supporting her, how many battles have she won and got trophy? How many saga has she won trophy from? So why are you trying to drag? Do you know that day she and Wagata was discussing on camera on what to gift her. I don't know if she has put, if Wago has put down that video. Wago asked her what she needs. And she's, look at lessons so no she. She said that she is a Zolobita distributor, that she needs a Sienna to be distributing Zolobitas. That was how Wago granted her Sienna. Please, Akozayan, I want to ask you, check your list. Check your distributor list. Is Ogechi Kenjaka truly a distributor in your company? Please tell me the gospel truth. Use this one and know the truth. Verify the truth by yourself. But she used your company name. Already Oscar Mugowago now. What would the defense now? Oscar Murulawago Siana already. Oscar Murulia Siana. Already. That's why I look at some of you and I laugh. How do you feel about this? Now, did you guys remember? No, she cannot divert my attention. When it is time, brother, trust me, guys. Trust me, guys. It gets to some point when I will leave her. I have blocked her. I know she's still watching here. On another fake account. There are levels, there are extent I will get to. I will just ignore her. This is nothing but the truth. Now listen to me. Precious than the father of Ogechi. The network was bad. But Governor Zoku is here. So Akozayon, will your network allow me? Network allow me. Click like and share. They are trying to stop me from being here. They are trying to stop me from doing what I'm doing. No devil, no human. Lenya Ibacha video. When you finish your saga on the internet, you go and sleep. When I reply anybody I wish, if I go back, Neti go on my temple. Neti kashigisi na my altar. I no be Chimarine. I no be Chimarine. Igezike. Mbago tanga na kugo through nature. Do you know one thing you should fear about Kama? Otaka moto gejikuroge one day ko sagishi if you don't take time. That day you were on camera, ebapuo na bathroom. Na live program ezugo. We be ni ikegi we go see na camera. I begged you and say, shut up. Me sure none of this matter. You are wrong. Can you tell me? Obu monye nwebe dementia. Or some brain cells ya nwala. Why will a woman no live program na Facebook run into the bathroom with camera, go see Kia by herself and turned again and said that she will sue Onyobodo. Onyobodo got 1 billion. Come on, shut up. And I ask you that time to close your mouth because you don't know that Onyobodo has no case. Onyobodo free Kegi online and Onyobodo share the Kegi. Is that an offense? Oh, Kama, we have to get that in. And don't allow Kama to catch up with you again. Because that was a warning. Asemebondo onwara. Brother, no there, I'm not there. Hello, bro. One day. Don't know I'm not there. Nabia now. Go back, I'm coming. So Otaga Kamade. And if you don't take time, Kama teaches you more. Back to what I was saying before. This is my last point I need to make for you here. I need to make to you right here. Ogechi, listen. Do you know how many persons from the United Kingdom you've bullied that does not like you? Do you know how many persons from the United States where you live? If America or the size of America was the capacity of injustice in this our own country, ndị mmadụ ka agbupụghị isi since. Enwebe onye egwube wayo. Akụzayon, ọ bụrụ ma onye a were isi gị na ndị mmadụ jam kọcha, who will buy Zolo bitters? Tell her to appear on camera right now. Wepụta one can of Zolo bitters. But she will aid you. She will instigate you. Give it a problem with people that should be buying it here. What influence does she have, Akozayon? Or because they have 1.2 million followers? What are the engagements in that page? According to somebody, why is she trying to make herself so important around Akozayon and around Zion Ministries? Zion has been existing before this person came. Oh yeah, these are fake followers. Why will you have 1.2 million followers on Facebook? And all of a sudden, you make a video and you only have 2,000 views, 3,000 views. You see her brag? I put the jelly where the is. I put this and that where. This is a bragadish human being. Akozayon, did you remember? Check few years ago when Ogechi Kenjaka was saying that she's building a hospital. Please listen to me. She was raising money on camera. No Jiagero charity hospital. Please, do you think even if that dream was achieved and Ogechi post people's nude pictures on the internet, do you think anybody will ever summon courage to go to that hospital because Ogechi Onyahu picture? Ogechi iko Onyahu picture equal one Onyahu no jikwa nude picture Onyahu. Have you heard no to go again? Oh, go Kuzuroku again. No one na eba naro clinic hospital for less privileged people. Is she saying that anymore? That one agala. One day she posted the picture again. Oto Nobalia to hotel. Oto Nobago that one to hotel. She's now converting that to your hospital. You Ndi Igbo generally now. Atu really go online. Or convert earlier now to a private property. Wait, anybody put on name here last speaker? One so all because of this program. Hello? Yes. I'm on live program, sir. I'm on a live program. It's again. My mom just got stroke now and because I don't know. Chere ka mkpo achigi, chere ka mkpo achigi. Chere nga akpo achigi. I will call you back. Okay? Oh, complain. Oh, to shade. Oh, to shade. So why is she trying to drag in these people? Now she has scraped the story of building hospital, charity hospital, free hospital, oppression. Oh, she is now bringing a new story. Thank you for the 20 stars. She's now bringing a new story that the Union that Ogechi has a skill acquisition center in Enugu. Where is the address? What is the skill acquisition there? At the end of the day, anyone about that place, no skill again. Acquisition babid. Olodo, He turn back, skill acquisition, and you learn how to plait bead, how to make wig, how to plait bead, oh, he could happen your place, Enugu. One whiskey. Obuyabu those ye followers are who the little people now comment, Bunda hune zuzuru. Egamo, Hegragamobo, Oteshe Jene do Jefe. Nedo. The skill acquisition in other place. About how to log into Facebook. Jaka Gabo na toilet. Gago Sibu to Lagi. Ikegi, a married woman for that matter. That is where I pity that our brother now lawyer. So I don't want to. I told me Pari go because he went mami here. I told me Pari go. I'm a get in the village Gakuko. I'm a send in the village Gakuko. Kiwi camera and when you get Borike, the so colonial singing up when you get Borike ya on camera. But about the next no about to Lia, no about the what a disgrace. Any woman is in there who get your cake and Jacabweni, ya that woman. I told me Pagaromo one, Macaromo one name on them. I'm only talking to this one because all young about the husband and then dear about the wife. Oga Ibu Igbo. Ama na maybe na check in what akwụkwọ ka buy a ball, buy a P4. But ihe karibu ya ala ahịa. Dr. Sawori onye were anyị sị alanga nwaanyị nwe ọnụ di ya, alanga ahụ emeluola. Why will you allow any woman check the whole Igbo across the whole world? No. Paul Johnson. Make sure no get at this program. You know to say like 3 times so. Ma papo gi here one time. When apokwanum. Hello. Governor Zoku is here. And I'm on live section, sir. NT and last speaker. On a last speaker.
Yes. Yes, the Koku Zion. Oh, a very big mistake that young man made. Very big mistake for me. I'm going to advise you. On Zolo Bita. Yes. Zion made a very big mistake. On Zolo Bita. On Magamaki Daya. He also moves on video. If anything of I may go after a thing could be, or what if you are about arrest and everything. I got some lawyer, he also go young for us only on a gang to the there, or can say our father got one year. I have money to manifest the band. Guess what she expects now that product Gagaya. No one ever actually to that product and other things that won't you can say.
Okay.
Young man.
Thank you for saying the truth. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. All right, let me give this permission. Aku, come and listen. Please, on this program, I want 10 persons to call me now on this number. Aku, listen, be here. 090 64 23 57 and 45. Akoya, listen. Thank you for the 20 stars. Somebody sent me 50 stars before. Thank you. Now, Ako, listen. Out of the 10 persons that will call me, watch if Mado sees support to Ogi na Ogechi Okekenjaka should lead you into this kind of battle. Then follow them. Follow her. Then Obukurano Mamado 6 out of 10 and say I'm here now on this live broadcast. Nega advice to continue with Ogechi Okekenjaka. Oh yeah, continue. This is the election. It has begun. Watch. Hello, sir. I am on live section. You're welcome. Governor Zoku is here.
Yeah, Governor Zoku, my brother. Whatever you are saying is the truth. Ogechi in Japan, America. She started job with the first woman
People should call me on WhatsApp now. The thing on there, it may interrupt my normal call. I mean my WhatsApp call. Call me on WhatsApp. Call me on WhatsApp. Let's continue with the man. Ay, Chineke. The mother be not bomb direct call on there. I may interrupt. I could pick your pen and paper now. All result on Akage 090-6423-5745. Hello, sir. Go ahead.
Yeah, our network, I think so.
Go ahead.
Yeah, but the first woman, I'm going to be a kenke, boy, Ndi Igbo na America. I just from you, I say, Biko. I'm going to say, I'm going to with insult, with the slogans. Yawa bidon ke nan de kan finish you na chande IPO Diego ko contribute cha ya na rie no ne abari nan de kan
okay
no ne abari Ndi Igbo ni ne Igbo ni onwe ya omo nwa ki Igbo
okay
then she does a lot of atrocity. Either they are fine and good. The guy will take out because he been a landlord, I'll get with green card there. So if he wants, he can quit. So maybe you have turned the man's head upside down. Because I want a man, a full-fledged man, cannot relate to that trash from that woman. That one aside. So come to this guy. Yes, he's bitter. A lot of people said his bitter is good. One, as far as getting Zakat, none of that business, it will make people to go out from that product. Okay, I'm telling you the truth.
Okay.
As far as Zakat. With more distributor, because one thing with her is that I see the
okay, sir. You're calling from America. I know about that.
Yes.
Now, Sale, Gameya simple now, so that this thing, because I will understand this simple. Ogechi okeke njaka, Buruzolo bitasinishi area. Will you buy from her?
I can't even go near there.
Okay.
I would not even the best. I will not go near it.
Okay, thank you, sir. After this live broadcast, I will call you. Let's give another person a chance to also say something now.
Yeah.
The number one person here now, say no manzo. Once Ogechi okeke njaka buya. I could listen. No, somebody called again. Let's call that person back again. I don't know. Okay, another person at Bola. Governor Zoku is my name. Hello.
Yeah, I greet you, my governor.
Thank you. This is Governor Zoku.
Remembrance forever.
I'm on live. I'm on live program. 80 I'm phone on a last speaker. Do you permit that?
I'm following. Yeah, I'm following the live program. Yeah.
Okay.
First of all, I want to appreciate you for your good work.
Okay.
Coming to your question, I will not even try it, and I will not even advise anyone to try it.
The second person.
I have a simple advice for Akosayon. Please,
okay.
He should employ PA, someone that will be advising him.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Brother, believe me, Zolo Bitters is a very good product. But the person associated to it, like, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay,
yes,
thank you.
100%.
Thank you, sir. Okay, drop. Let me also answer another person. People are calling. But one, I could sit down, come and listen. Be against. Go do Ganya. Hello.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. This is Governor Ezioku. I'm on live section now.
Yes, put me live, Biko.
Okay, in a live. Go ahead.
Yeah, that's fine. As long as mistake that man Akuzion beating he gets Ogechi involved in what he is doing. That is a take miracle from God for him it succeed. Whether the product or the good or not, as long as all involved with Ogechi, they are all go dead on arrival. Nobody will listen to Ogechi because she has committed a lot of atrocities online. People don't like her. Nobody wants to know anything about her because Obiya Joronjo, Obuli go so many people, hot go so many souls. Orige Gonde Mato, Ogechi Bo Nyarala. I felt sorry for you. It's not a matter of time. The truth will prevail. But I thank God actually can make it go Ganya. Baba from Ogechi all the way very, very dangerous. I won't buy Zolo Peter as long as Ogechi is involved with it. So many people feel the same way. So
okay.
Whatever on okay. So when you try get everything together before delay to before so young was Zolo Peter sound. Take care of yourself, my brother. God bless you.
Okay. Akozion's Zolobita is a very good product. I love it. It's like only the taste of Campari. Almost the same taste with Campari. And very okay. Man, what we are talking about. What we are talking about now is Onya Aburiana Kabutarage, will you buy? Out of 10 persons in Sepo, the number to call is 090-64-23-57 and 45. Very unfortunately, the 3 persons that called me now, Bocha, foreign. 2 of the numbers here see UK, and the other one from US. So mother three sige already that so far Onya Jianaka they no go buy. Do you see that associating with Onya by a mistake? Another, let's take the 4th person. Hello? Governor Zioku, please reduce your own volume from that area.
Reduce Governor Zioku. Good evening.
Ademoma, good evening.
Okay. Imana eba no. Na African shop can go tife. We for that bitters. We juba say, omini na zolo bitters abata boda. Hasem to fiakwa. Okwanka abo hasen Diego. No na mafuro ndi ya na fa. Wanyi onye oshia na Chicago. No nya Diego. Ozababo nye wasaga. Ife na chiku Akuzion maka ndoge obu na ịma arụsị na atụgoro Ogechi n'ụwa. Marụ ndị begide ga-akwa arịrị maka Ogechi ha wee nwụrụ. Marụ ndị Ogechi akwa mgbe aka na-agbawo bụ ịbịa kọmentị asị awa if you chọta na your pictures dị na Facebook ọ tag ya gị ọ sị na ụmụ gị eyi ọ dị gị ọ sị na ị gbara n'iro ọ chọta ofugbo gị mgbe a na-agbawa anụ a then ndị ahụ o mechachara obi ma ndị o mere ya saa famili ha ma ndị di ha chụrụ maka Ogechi Okeke Njaka ma ndị o boro ori ma arụsị niile atụrụ ya atụ ndị a niile bụ ndị bere akwa ime obi n'isi Ogechi. Ọnya ka Akuzion ga-enecha anya onye Ogechi mere oyi na Facebook ka ha fịa wikere o wee bụrụ Ogechi jere goro platform 1 million followers o goro ego na ọ bụrụkwa nyanwa ji aka ya bịa ụdọ. Ịmakwa mgbe Ogechi gbawara mkpamkpa mgbe e kpụrụ Nnamdi Kanu Ogechi bụ ụzọ gbapụta sị na o nwetagoro ya na US. Ndị mmadụ wee ịma na ndị be anyị na-enwe obi ebere atụba ego ahụ otu aka ego asịpụ na voice mgbe Ogechi rie nyawa ego. A na-akọzi akụkọ Mr. Obi nwoke mmadụ arụ adịrọkwa bịara ka Ogechi nyere ya aka. Mmadụ kpọtara ya ka Ogechi nyere ya aka na NGO. Ogechi rezi ego n'isi nwoke ahụ kpọrọ nwoke jee dose na nke ndị ọgwụ Igbo rie ego. In fact, us the chef never need no boy at 5 hospitals need no boy je last lama ngwata nwoke. Gini me kwanu no Ogechi kwuru na ama ngwata nwoke. Imana na ama ngwata nwoke nara nwoke ego. Ina ego n'isi nwoke rie ego nwoke. Nwoke nwụrụ. Asịkwa Ogechi were ego onye nwụrụ anwụnye no family nwoke. Ogechi si cha na ego ndị NGO. Ejiri ego. Ada ekwosu na oji asi rice. So ọbụna ụdị onye dị otu omini na-akụzi ayọ na-anụbeghị maka akụkọ Ogechi. O wee were biznes ya wee were na-atụjụ njoroko with Ogechi.
Okay. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. So that we can get the number of votes we want here now. Obruma, do you believe with me? Do you agree with me that Zolo Bitters is a very good drink? Forget about Onyemo the company, also a very good product.
Honestly, that's because of no Ogechi Kenjaka being up front or not the team.
Okay, Ngwale, I am telling you, not be a good product. Governor is telling you not be a good product. Man, Obruma, okay, don't worry. Can I go the Zolo now? Let me use another thing to judge this. Obruma chọrọ igbu ọkụkọ rie n'ụlọ gị. Ogechi Kenjaka bụ onye bụ di ọkụkọ. She na 1 poultry. Tinubu nwe buti ya, or even the most loved, the person kacha love na elo wa bụ onye nwe the poultry. Ogechi Kenjaka ewetara gị the ọkụkọ na igoro, will you buy? Hello? Alright, that call an indigo. People are calling more. That one an indigo. That one now we are counting it as the number 5th vote. All against her. Governor Zoku is here, and I'm on live video. Hello? Okay, you're on loudspeaker right now. The whole world is listening to you. Ade mama.
Thank you, sir. I just wanted to even point it out. Some them mother they far away. Now, okay, if you all of the chicken, just what you na page if you know I go attack the guy dealing with cats. Now, what is one money with transaction or around? Now, this time they are your name and details. You don't get it about power, those people know it go. Everything about how what was here will go. Only me and over. You know, so I will go save will go.
Okay.
Okay.
The mania. Let us. Okay, hold on. Can I weapon mania na the matter now? Obruma, the person he catch a love on a low wa. When a poultry, and all of a sudden you want to buy chicken. And Ogechi Kenjaka agade agro chicken, put out the last chicken. And without this chicken, you will not cook soup. And Ogechi is selling it cheap to you. Will you buy from Ogechi Kenjaka or not? Okay, Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Thank you, sir. All right. Thank you, man. I think number 6th person, right? Are we counting? Remind me, please. Number 6th person say, now instead of go product, Ogechi Kenjaka jinaka, no ya carry a man not here and na mmiri we nwo with umunne hiora. Wagata, are you listening? Hello, Governor Zoku. Good evening. I'm on live section. You wish to talk to me in the private or what? Well, let me put it on loudspeaker. Hold on. Let me put it on loudspeaker, please. Okay, go ahead. You said it's about Ogechi Kenjaka.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Ogechi Bonori. She's a criminal. But some Zolo Vita, that guy Ogechi will fool. And Kusayan just my phone name. Otherwise, what's the associated with that useless woman who has such dirty records? Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Now, 7. Don't worry. All against one person. Number 10 from South Africa. Hello, this is Governor Zoku. You wish to talk to me the private, or I should put it on loudspeaker? Hello, the whole world is listening to you. Should I put it on loudspeaker? The man on the live video. Do you want me to put it on loudspeaker? Okay. Chere, go ahead.
Okay. Yes, it's fine. You're fine. You're good to go. That lady, okay, Jaka. That lady,
Reduce all the volume of Nkije Gigame Giga. The guy, volume here. The next person, hello? 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 Yes, I'm on live video and your voice is on the air. You want the audience to hear you?
Okay, this guy can cook Zion because how can he get put on your name? When Zion was highway a very good church in a shaky can name a commit atrocities. So,
thank you. It's a comic as Ogechi Henaka. It's a comic as any product Nako Ogechi. No, it's not there. Onyeka say come on Ogechi okay Jakaki alu opus. So number 8, that's number 8. Number reduce the volume Kije Gigame Giga. Number 9. So go ahead. Ogechi Okeke Njakaburu ahia n'aka gị ire. Will you buy from Ogechi Okeke Njaka or you rather stay hungry?
I will not buy from her.
You will not buy from her, no matter how precious the product is, right?
Very bad influence in society.
Okay. Thank you. Let me get more results. That is number 9. Oh yeah, another person should call. Hello, Governor Zoku is here, and I'm on live section. Yes. Go ahead. I am on live video. You want the general public to hear your voice?
Yes, of course.
Okay, go ahead.
Can you hear me?
Yes, if Ogechi Okeke Njaka is selling chicken on the December 25th morning, and the chicken Ogechi Okeke Njaka is selling happens to be a product of one of your brothers or sisters, will you buy the last chicken from Ogechi Okeke Njaka or will you rather stay hungry?
No, the question is irritating already. Ogechi Njaka is a disgrace to womanhood.
Ako, are you listening? Wago, are you listening?
She used to say with her mouth, I'm the one feeling ashamed of her as a woman. The day I saw Ogechi talking about Zion, if not the grace of God, I would have left Zion. But I know she's the one forcing herself to Zion ministry. Ogechi is a disgrace, a criminal, a very man.
Thank you. That's your opinion. Thank you. Let's take another call.
Like a human being, like a woman.
That's number 10. Number 10 says that she got nothing she can never buy from her. Let's take number 11. Hello, Governor Zoku and this live section. You're welcome. Hello, are you there? That's a call from the United States. This one again is from, this should be Italian number. Hello, sir.
Hello, Governor.
Go ahead. Okay, sir.
Ore maka aksayo nya iko ma ebe some ugube gwese elote marika aksayo simeshe bese gawe ko gishinje katige nga
Obu ya nwa force go we to Akozion. You're this thing in Sobu. You're this thing in Sobu. Don't worry, sir. We have picked I have picked your point, and I would like to call you back after this program. I think you're making a sense here. I think 10 or number 11, all will say that they will never buy. Now somebody should call and tell me if somebody, can you allow your brother to marry somebody that is close to Ogechi Njaka's family? Hello? Governor Zoku, I am on live section. Do you want me to put it on loudspeaker? Okay. It is on loudspeaker, sir.
Epuka can allow this such person to associate with him. Yeah. I pray let Epuka go and watch this Ogechi video. Now the kind of person get around him. That lady is a beast. Is a beast. Please, thank you. God bless you for what you are doing.
All right, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Be listening, oh. Be listening, oh. All right, 10 persons comment me here. Will you allow your relative to marry someone that looks like Ogechi? Okay, Kenjaka. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Put me on the.
It is on loudspeaker.
Okay.
Go ahead, sir. Tell me.
That woman you are seeing, you say, oh, go and give them from that family. I'm prepared. America, the man never died here and buried in America. Yes. This girl, that woman you're looking at, she's a pure devil, man. Damn, devil. Recollect. For me, I don't know where to go get you that. You will question. And don't get you. Don't question. I'm going to get question. So my brother, is also that woman is also something.
Oh, network. We lost it. Your network. Hello, the next person, please. Somebody should call again. I need the number carry allow. The election I go like extra vote. Ojo but say near wiki ma allow. One near uncle ya. Uncle ya. Governor Zoku is my name. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? I can't hear you. I don't know what's wrong. Hello, sir. Hello. I'm on live video. Should I put it on loudspeaker? Recounting on loudspeaker. My brother, go ahead.
Okay.
Amakadora, thank you for the 1,000 stars. Go ahead.
Ndi Igbo tuli no say na nketa oju nketa isi oto onye nwere onye Ogechi bụ from the first time, but the people amara onye Ogechi bụ isi nya ude mmadu dịka that girl adron no wanka. All this NGO ọ na-eme onye ọbụla mana ebe aka this case we make all the money ọgụ waka na asapere anya ma na na-edupu ndị Igbo. Mega erezil Nnamdi Kanu, mega erezil ndị nwụrụ anwụ ọ sị na fa bụ piece of garbage. One man a na-akpọ Mr. Obi. I can never forget the history of that man.
Uche, thank you.
Okay, nwere sympathy wee nye the people of these people nya ndị orezi dị ego owelu dị ego weba si na ego bụ ego NGO na o ji enyelụ ndị widows aka. This girl were very hardened, like achọrọ m use this word, no a criminal. but ụfọdụ ndị mụ ya nọ na nwa agụ Attire with Zion by another person ọ ka ya face. Mark my word. Even a secret Zion feeling on a job pass there. But you Ogechi we attack anya. Zion got the very shop. On order no mara on one reformer. Oh no, just no money miss road. Or try to use sense here. If you
Cynthia, Madi, thank you for the 100 stars. Go ahead.
If you go to Zion, Zion will not just opportunity God will make it.
Don't worry. Obo, and I may discuss Zion. And I may discuss Zion, sir. I'm only asking.
Zion bitas, nkenwa, zero bitas, nkenwa. Ogechi abụrụ onye mmadụ ga-emekọ nwe ife with that girl bụ a useless stupid woman being. Mmadụ dị ndụ a ga-anụ onye dịka Ogechi n'ụwa nwee peace of mind onye mana anatanwu Nigeria asị na ọ mara ife ọ committee Udene na-ekwu okwu Ogechi committee more than Udene.
Yes.
Onye na-ebu ụtọ ọtọ ndị ụmụ nwaanyị
I agree with you. I agree with you.
Yes, Ogechi nwere more fuck up more than Udene ma asị ka ekwubi ekwu. Ogechi bụ a very like that girl adrọ m ịkọtalụ nya anything gbasara n'ụwa because ọ ga-atọ to a vampire use onye against you. I na-afụsi ife niile na-eme n'ịntanet. Ọlụlụ ụlọ ọgwụ na-ebe nwa ego kedu ego jiri ụlọ ọgwụ nwe ife ọ na-alụ ọrụ nene ka ọ na-alụ na US. Na-agwa ndị Igbo na ọ na-alụ dọkịta. Ebe ka onye nyere ya dọkịta ọ na-alụ. We know everything about Ogechi, so forget ya. Nwa agụ Attire ka ebele na-emelụ because na by the time Ogechi ga-turn his back on nwa agụ Attire, ọ ga-adịrị ya very dangerous. Ka ọ na-edebegodu m otu a.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. The next person, someone has been calling me. Your name appeared here as senior. Another person. They check you. Hello, my name is Governor Zogu. Should I put the phone on loudspeaker? All right, go ahead, sir. I want to ask you a question. If Ogechi Okeke Njaka is selling chicken, a live chicken, and that is the last chicken in the market on the 25th of December of a certain year, and you really need to buy chicken, will you comfortably buy the chicken from Ogechi Okeke Njaka, or you will go home and look for another thing to eat? Hello? Did we lose the caller? Hello?
Hello, I can hear you.
I said you go to the market. If you go to the market to buy something, if you go to the market to buy chicken, and the last chicken in the market is being sold by Ogechi Okeke Njaka on the 25th of December morning, and you know your children want chicken, will you buy? Will you summon courage to buy from Ogechi Okeke Njaka, or you go home and forget about chicken?
I'm just laughing, my brother. In fact, the simple answer is that I
You say you can never. You say you will never buy.
I will never. I better. I rather go hungry than to buy the chicken.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. That's a wonderful response. Thank you, sir. Because one person should help me vote for Kairezi Ogechi Okeke Njaka 1 vote. Just 1 vote. Because Kairezi only 1 vote. Oh, somebody should summon courage and dash her 1 vote. Obunu win when Madune win chaya win here pata. Hi, nah, this call na clash. I want to hear from this person na Bokare here now. Hello, sir. Go ahead. Hello, sir.
The network, the bad.
Oh. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Hi. Nah, the call na crash is it? Calls everywhere. You hear? Boo. One day, Ogechi Okeke Njaka, I donate what again at your generation 1 slap. You no go fit survive 1 slap. You no go fit. By now, since in this program, Ejiga Kante, Maybe Shiano here. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay.
I na actually kwa no phone kucha onye ozo akpowa aya da. Chineke be. We don't get the point, or we've gotten the point. Sir, a second, go ahead.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Eventually, but at least when you get a make a business on US, even on Nigeria, Akuzayo. Nigeria just for 1 hour. All you do see the money. Ogechi cannot come to Nigeria. Akuzayo, hear this. Hear this.
Go ahead.
No. This content. When you get a business, just only for 1 hour. Because don't get to Nigeria just for 1 hour. Oh, the one they give make a business.
Okay. I've gotten the point from this, our brother. Akozayan, this man is saying, Neighbor go to Ogechi Okeke Njaka, no Ogechi Okeke Njaka, but Nigeria for 1 hour. Kageni ame business. Let's call Okarere. Hello, sir. Ah, God. Hello? Yes. So this girl who they call na clash. They call na clash. If I stay here more for 1 hour, everywhere. The thing they call na clash. I will have to leave this pattern. They call na clash. If they make a business, just imagine. Imagine. Let me take this call from the United States. Hello. Hello. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. Even a woman, Ogechi Njaka in a program. Ogechi Njaka and a whoop. Obi from IPOB. In under mother go to IPOB. For me, IPOB go to the Lego. A military or what also. Or when I hook up. Imagine men and women together. Equal 300 already started. Even I was up. Or make a talk. Or even in on a Lego, one no match together. Above you will save our buffer also. Don't get on now. About the one I get on a cat of them. I live the Kobe. I'm on them mother and nature poetry. Eh? Also, they have a doctor in America. When you pull it, a weapon of
Nanny. Or qualify you as a caregiver. Obo Nanny.
I have been 2012. And now I get another 2015. Now I'm a member of IPOB. Eh? But when you're told I will take them or back on IPOB. You create your forum. People are not on social media. A lot of them. But I can't go and people carry my avatar in one after
Sir, everyone I don't because everyone I don't challenge again. Ogechi Okeke Njaka na-ere champagne. And champagne ya bo 200 naira. Then somebody na-ere pure water and the pure water is 5,000. Do you prefer spending 5,000 naira to buy pure water to drink than to spend 200 naira to buy original crystal champagne from Ogechi Okeke Njaka?
No way. No way.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Let's hear from another person. Are you listening? This is your ambassador. That is the ambassador they are talking about. Another person. You are welcome here. You're on loudspeaker. The whole world is listening to you. Governor Zoku is my name.
Good evening, Governor Zoku.
Thank you.
Ndi Igbo anime kenunu. Asina ifa banaka. Are ejanye ki. Are ejuge wenenia. Governor Zoku. I will not say na carry go this level because you need to go down to her level to open other people's eyes.
Yes, yes.
Stop saying that Ogechi can never walk. She has a criminal record. She is using her sister's paper piece to work in America. Ogechi is not working. She has a criminal record. Ogechi started with IPOB. Everybody, for how many years? For how many years? Is it our brothers that were languishing in jail? Ogechi started raising funds for them to bring them back to Nigeria. All the money they raised, Ogechi swallowed. Is it the crippled guy, Chibo? A lot of people. Ogechi called Mr. Obi piece of garbage after raising money. Even when she condemned native doctor, she still told them to go to native doctor. The man died. After the burial, Ogechi said, instead of her to reform that died, and that is an NGO money. Ogechi shared Mirabelle's nude because after raising money for Ogechi and her cohort instructed Mirabelle to refund 500,000 out of the money that was raised. Mirabelle, being a smart woman, insisted that any widow that needs funds should come out with her children on live program, that she cannot use her own children and raise money with other people. Ogechi went as far as paying 300,000 naira. When she repaired it, somebody that always followed Ogechi saw the video and sent to Ogechi. Ogechi paid. That was how she shared Ogechi's nude on the on social media. You don't need to ask for that. Onye mara asu ya suo no ikwe, onye mara asu ya suo na mpata. Ndani kumakia apro nwatakiri akukuza ya na ara angu ara. He's an adult. Onye nwere ntị ya nụrụ, onye nwere ntị ya arapụba. Focus on what you're doing. The whole world is watching you. The whole world is supporting you. Nobody will call to speak any good about Ogechi. You don't need to ask those questions. I didn't come and give it this. You came to apologize that people want you ever listen to them. Today, reverse or not the case. The same way Koyade Akuzayon. If you will listen to the whole world and listen to us, focus on with all this pressure now, you can see, give them less than a week, that money will be refunded and it will still be a credit to you. Ogechi joined you. She can never go anywhere and with a favor. If she wants to fight someone, she will use someone to fight someone. She's ready to praise you, call you names and everything. But when the chips are down, Ogechi will turn against you. She's a chameleon, coat of seven colors. So you don't need to ask those questions. Ogechi on anything one kobo. I'd rather die than to eat from her. May God forgive her and let us all keep praying for her. Ogechi is hated in the whole world, but she never knew. The father caused her, and that caused is following her. That man caused her. Have you ever seen in Nigeria an Igbo man? They abandoned his corpse and buried him in a cemetery in America. That man, they couldn't bring him down to Nigeria because he never listened to the family. They turned their back against him. He died and he was buried there. She never knew that the father's funeral was going on, and she was on social media. Now, Wasaga. She later came and cried for them to forgive her, that she's ready to make amends. They contributed money to that idiot. They used, let's get still use the money. They go and Apotana Asif and Suzu that she used them, that she has acquired how many hectares of. We don't need to go further. But the only thing I want, if it warrants you going low for you to expose her, go ahead. You don't need to mention her. You don't need to mention a book. Leave them alone. The only thing is that
no, she was the one who was screaming on live video. Somebody screen recorded it and sent to me. And that was why I decided this evening to respond to them.
Attention, Conan, she doesn't matter. We know her.
Actually, drag about Zion members. I don't know. I didn't do anything to anybody.
scared. You've told the whole world that you don't have anything against Zion and that you will never have. Kudos to that. You are smarter than Ogechi. The next thing she will do now is to level allegation against you, Oji Otogo. That's what they are there. As we are speaking now, they've created a WhatsApp group. And the next thing now, they'll find a way. Be very careful. And the jetpack.
Don't worry.
Be careful. They might use it to
don't
get you.
Don't worry.
Guide you. May God protect you.
Amen.
Keep doing the good work. We all love you.
Amen. Thank you. Let me answer the next call. There's somebody. This person has called me many times. Whatever it takes. This number that has senior as a number, I will surely call you back. Hello, Governor Zogu is my name, and this phone is on loudspeaker. Do you permit that?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Hello. Good afternoon from here.
Okay. Good afternoon. Good evening from here.
Okay. My brother, I will say thank you for what you're doing. You know, the people now will come and say na basaga. But the few my will now know that you are preaching the gospel. I'm happy you have tested Ogechi and you have seen who she is. When I now want them mother Ogechi will know she Ogechi people were thinking no saga Ghana or whatever. But now with you and what you are doing, okay, me people are matter to na yes, at least they will joke on na social media. Akozayon, let me talk to you, my brother. For you to keep your good name, for you to keep who you are today, whatever thing you are doing, if you want to progress, if you want to move forward, delete Ogechi in your life. Ogechi watch it.
Even Wago Attire. Because Wago like Matonye 16 million naira. Wago was already talking. Camera guy see me return all the money. No get to area. To get away the man as na see the man with account na the man ajo. To garia see again.
You see?
To area within some minutes. Put on a live camera na see the man with account na the man ajo. Chai.
Can you imagine? Yeah, okay, this is okay for you. You don't need to. What you are saying is pure truth. You know, I'm on your Ishi. We know her very, very well. I watched one program on name, somebody on a replay when she was saying, no, that having Isagu, no name fasting. And my Ogechi say, Ogechi, fasting in me. Okay, Mutaru go Chukunjakanwa. Or come give win bake a hat on all normal children. Or go she les who go push. I know one again, you won't know she got walking.
Hapo Omakia Ndi Igbo.
No, I'm a engineer. And another thing I want to say is Ogechi is giving Zion ministry a debt. Ebukobi and Ndoti Yashu God Ogechi. Who see our no. Because let me tell you, all Ebukobi were 1,000 people actually so Ebukobi. For the fact Ogechi abana there, 1,000 and 800 and 200 and because Ogechi till we are there. On a good that church. This is just the cause. This is just the truth. Ogechi were then till now who told you up on there. Come to Zion. Sikodo Ogechi again name. Wago, I don't know how to pronounce your name anyway.
Wago Attire.
Good. Oh no, she Ogechi who know where she go mother. Now hire the pure, now hire the clean. She no Ogechi Lota Nigeria. She no Ogechi Megan Lota Nigeria. Okule Punu Gesi Mata Ujuma Ogechi. Ogechi Wanya Nabo, Okwa.
Madam, this is a live challenge and I'm saying this on live camera. If Ogechi Okeke Njaka agrees to come to Nigeria this December, may 2 million naira for tickets. And then Makuya direct to the airline.
Jesus Christ. She dare not. Okay, I got the airport of America. Anywhere in America, apart from Chicago, Master in Nigeria. Okay, Chaga Ememuya. She cannot. Because all here and there in Nigeria, Ogechi across there. Even in America, up to a life program, and they make a usually a content matter on because American with freedom of speech. So she believes she can talk to anybody anyhow. But in Nigeria, we won't take that nonsense. Of course, she know. I had to take it the nonsense. You know, my brother, what you are doing is good.
Thank you.
Let me give you this advice, please. Yeah, let me give you this advice, please. When you say this, don't say too much.
Yeah.
Leave Ogechi or irrelevant. Please focus on your business.
No problem.
Yeah, your page is monetized, and so I'm giving you stars anyway.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know your page is monetized.
Yeah.
The next thing up the main now for them to come on your page. God put on your page now. This is not good for you. She will gang up. Come here, when they go here and there, get the page down. That is it for you. What is this thing I said today? She will come on your page. Because this page, I want yes you, I want the net. Another thing, okay, now which are you game because you are in Nigeria. You have to police or
No. Forget Yana about to threat the police again. Only way wanted human being that cannot come here. And Aquama in his absence. All of them, I challenge them. Man, and feeling the money about the case. Need to here now. Only and Aquama now.
My brother. If I am open, if I am keep reading, board have seen her. If I am open, one them, please move on with your life. Leave the dirty food.
No, I don't. I choose Romania this evening. I choose Romania this evening.
Thank God, thank God for Karakuka, the same thing. Now, life program on Jakachi here. You know what happened to her? You just said it all. Kama. Okay, she came out na social media. Where he come one in there now, and when you get you, do you know how to get Mirabel's nude? Just go to your random one because Oji page here donate Mirabel, get to Mirabel go la page already go on her page. Mirabel is the money. Or see the girl whatever half of the money said the other account there. Mirabel said no. That was her fault. Ogechi brought that girl. Oti didn't on herself for like 2 weeks. When she had injury under her armpit, Ogechi down for 2 weeks. The girl after she what she did was into Ishi and that girl down. Ogechi just auto one share the whole social media. You don't get in there, if not that people video call them and with something, photo or whatever, if you hold against you, any taking equal to see a shut up. Yes, so get him or talking, I will share it. That is just okay. If you know, do but the threat in your
I'm waiting. I'm waiting for her.
What you are doing. Thank you for what you're doing. The world have known her. You can imagine how many people call her in like your platform. You can imagine.
Oh, can one go marry here? Oh, can one go marry on the agent?
I love what you are doing. I love rather you are saying the gospel truth. These people, the responsible. Nagana Koko Ogechi is trying to dent themselves because Ogechi Nagana Koko Yagurago. Ogechi, the good people on the Poland, even in our Warren Jiko. The good matter on the Poland, the Mohon go to here with Homa, Ishi Ogechi. Rather, the whole Punopulana, Akotoya, this will show you the kind of woman Ogechi is. Please, my brothers, weapon no one Nako Ogechi, business on Garon. To know one Ogechi, business on Gakunama. I don't know that's Yo Peters or whatever Peters, no, but for the fact that Ogechi involved in that business. People get what they get. That is just the fact.
Thank you.
Please have everything.
Thank you.
That's my point. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right, I think I have to call back this number. This man, senior. You've called me many times, I didn't pick. So I hope. Hello.
Yeah.
You're welcome. I just have to call you back because I see you've called many times, sir.
Yeah.
This
Yeah,
is a live video.
I just want to contribute on this.
Okay, go ahead.
I know. Yeah, I just want to contribute on that issue of Ogechi Njaka. That lady, she is a cause herself. She is cause person.
Well, the next person should wait. Okay, go.
So I would rather you just ignore her. You just need to ask her two questions. That she could not bring the father down to Nigeria. The father was buried in America. She was in America and she was not there the day the father was buried. Ogechi doesn't know where her father was buried. Hello?
Go ahead.
She doesn't know where her father was buried. Some time ago, a few years back, our brothers in the Indonesian prison called for help. It was on a live program. She donated, she raised money for them. People paid money and she confirmed that the payment was made. But till today, Ogechi denied those people the money. That money was raised for them. That money was raised for them for their flight tickets to come back to Nigeria. But Ogechi did not give them that money. To tell you how heartless that woman is. Seriously, I don't know. And she really needs help because a proper burial was not made for the father. If they could organize a burial for the father on Facebook, I think she deserves that. That's what is really making her to be making trouble with people. That I would stop here for now.
All right, thank you. So the next person here, Chris, you called me. Okay. Okay, Chinenye, peace. Come and get her from this page. Come and get her from here, you. I'm a mawakwagi shida play. Come and get her from this page. You shiri kwage. Governor Zoku is here.
Hello, brother. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Your name and where are you calling me from?
My name is Chibuza Christian.
Okay.
I'm calling you from Canada.
Okay. Okay, sir.
First of all, you enjoy you as a brother. I am pleading on your behalf. I can need him at a crazy will I care. Pokoti answer. More than I did a mistake. Money Kufiono, Mother Guy.
Okay, sir. Saleh, after this live broadcast, I'm very glad you called back after this live broadcast. Okay.
Okay, and can I continue with this one? Then we'll talk later on that one.
No, on that of Ijele?
No.
Okay. Yes.
Sure. Okay, now, you have seen what we have been preaching for long. We have been talking about Ogechi Njaka for years. And anything I knew about her, I have the proof, video evidence of everything. The way she scammed from IPOP, extended to Mr. Obi, extended to my own personal friend, Ndi Igbo. I can give you 5 persons with video record. Now, but only with them now some people put her as in Anna Wasaga. All the honor the group you're talking out of experience. The man only do to go for business. And the nigga no go with you to a due to her. Only able for business, only able to return the money. Then they will try to make it to look as if you're Sagara.
That's how they do.
Thank God. So this thing is reality. What happened?
Why, sir? Do you know that lady Gachara, as far as Igana live video, bomb and ex-convict? When somebody is an when somebody is an ex-convict, I think you will just go and verify through the court registry, right? And the prisons. Then you can also find that Monyo was actually a rape case before. Call for the Nonya rape minor. Okay, na camera. That's why I can say anything against her here, because that video record room here. Record room here, do see her now. Oh God, people were recording, sending to me, and I was keeping them. I was even transferring them to my this thing.
Where it can be saved.
Why somebody Hannah for those things there. They won't talk about Governor Zoko reply or quote something. I say na Mezi Saga. And the way I do, Obajo Missionia comment 2 or 3 times and block other person because they made sense. I'm here to reply herself even on that one, because as God liveth, one day Ofonye Gebru such statement in Ishi meji there. Into that one, just say example, others will avoid me on that, right?
Okay.
But you see on this one here, what I'm here about, no kugidroku sin and Zion they careful about me now, cause Zion they careful about me. When I saw that video, somebody sent to me and say,
Hello?
Yes, sir. So I said no, that was why I came here.
Okay.
All right. If you watch me, I didn't make it possible. So no, I was just saying something and say, I'll try go to this thing. And say mad 10, but since I am mad money, if you was I call 100.
Okay. I'm going to try to brother. Yeah? Anyway. If you get somebody and I say we take go the mad Uji Batogo. Let's come along with the example. Let's assume that the man never accused namely ego mad. And the accusation the 100% right. Then happy will have you seen that?
It's not possible.
So now
no, I will tell you.
Okay, now Governor, I'm a traditional person. But I support you when I see you going around those criminals. I'm not going there. I use me as a reference. Now, when you were doing all those things, you were never doing saga. You are not a saga person. You are not a saga person. But now you have said that this is injustice. You become a saga person.
Yes. Yes.
Because you brought the justice to your cycle. Because you don't exclude any person when it comes to justice, right? That is when you become a saga person. That is when you become an ex-convict. Were you an ex-convict when you were in a platform that very day?
When was I an ex-convict when I recovered 4 million first from Attire? The second time I recovered money from Attire. The third one, I was never an ex-convict.
Wait, you have recovered before?
I have recovered 4 million naira from Attire Motors. I'm saying this on camera.
Okay.
And everything was on record. Even when I was talking with him on the phone, when I was talking with all his people. Thank God for my team. Thank God for my team. They like as I'm doing this video, I decided to sit in the car alone. But my men are around. So they advised me early that time to put Attire on record.
Okay.
They paid the first one. In fact, the last money they paid, the last money Attire and his companies paid was 3 million naira. And it's not up to 2 months now.
Wow.
He paid. All these people saw it on camera.
Brother, I'm with him try you again. Mother na about the voice of the poor. Because the last card, you know.
Okay, sir, please check if you're seeing the video. Everybody watching me, just check. Prince MICH, I think Mitch, commented and said, the 4 million naira was recovered for my brother. The person just commented here now. Wait, let me pin that comment. Brother, wait.
Okay.
Let me pin the comment. I just pinned the comment now. I just pinned the comment. The person just confirmed it here now that the 4 million naira was recovered for his brother. I think an Indian based. The evidence passed juju. Okay. Evidence is stronger than charm.
Because I am now is that this journey is not an easy journey. You know yourself. If you go the challenges, right?
Yes.
But to people continue because when they get on a and another thing I'm sure is the opportunity that I am living in Canada does not make me special than you that is living in Nigeria. It doesn't make me an educated person more than you that is living in Nigeria.
Thank you, sir.
It doesn't make me richer than you that is living in Nigeria. This is the mentality that we are having, that whenever we see somebody, we have that somebody is living in America, we will start giving an idiot a respect. This is my anger. That I live here does not mean that I cannot be stupid. I'm when the homeless nobody.
Sir, are you listening to me? That God Almighty may be glorified. That our ancestors will be glorified. That the name of God Almighty will be glorified. Sir, there was a time within last month that Governor Zoko appeared on camera and I recovered 500,000 naira for somebody from Onyi Motors. That young man used that money to complete his ticket. He's in China right now. I didn't take any percentage.
God bless you.
The young man is in China right now. He called me from China and said that after God, that the next name he knows is Governor Zoko.
God bless you. God bless you.
I did not take any percentage. It's live camera. I'm saying this and I posted it on my page.
But they will accuse you now. We know how those people operate. We know how those people operate. But I wrote a comment in your this thing. And I don't want to say it public in the sense of but
thank you. Thank you.
I have my reason.
Thank you, no problem.
You have your space as a human being. Because on your my friend, my enemy, I will distance that person. I have my reason. Man, God continue to bless you.
No problem. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, all those times they were not seeing it. They were not seeing it. That time I was not a bad person. That time that rabbit who came back from Zambia did not see all these things. He was not seeing it. God, by the joy upon the minds of those people, I call up nature against Sowago and those boys. Nature against them. Hang on, no ya mahibe. Heje no ya mahibe. Heje be behind heje lota with a hood. How much a man lota na hood? I was doing it free. And when you hear that boy, your home pay maka 500,000. Now become with the other 50,000. The boy is in China right now. He got a ticket. He used that money to add up. He's in China. The money was paid. I want to leave you guys here because Obi Madruze called them way better at this program. Hello. I'll leave you right now. I'll leave you all right now. The last word I have to say here is this. There comes a day in life. There comes to an end of an era where money cannot save you. It gets to a point in this life when your cars will be valueless. Your house becomes nonsense. Even your wife, whom you like close to every day, your husband needed so precious to you, will order never put your cups aside. The only thing that will remain, hello. Governor Zoku is my name. I'm on live video.
Yeah, good evening from here.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm on live section, sir. And this phone, you permit me to put it on loudspeaker?
Yes, it's allowed, sir.
Go ahead, sir.
Okay, you know these things that is going on. I think nobody is talking contrary to what you are saying. Everybody was focusing on one thing. My brother, whatever that is going on social media is very, very good that everybody verify. Very necessary to verify very well. Yeah, a lot of people is calling, leveling allegation on Ogechi, saying all manner of things. No scammer, no scam Ronya, scam Ronya, cause of all manner of things against the lady. But let us be careful. And also, I want you to understand this. All this set of people that is calling you on phone, you will listen from a lady from the young guy, that guy that call you from Canada. So many of them. There is another one that is in Nigeria. The one they call it intelligent caller. My brother, I will advise you to be very careful with all these set of people. Please, don't involve yourself in saga.
I am not, like as I say, sir, I am not doing saga. Did you advise Ogechi that time Ogechi was calling me an ex-convict yesterday? Did you call Ogechi like this to tell Ogechi not to even mention such thing, that it is wrong?
You know, that is what I used to tell people. Whenever you are presenting something on social media, don't follow for certain comment, because there are many instigators of social media. And also, there are many callers that are instigators.
Sir, the question I'm asking before you defend Ogechi, did you call Ogechi phone number to tell Ogechi for calling me a rapist, calling me, she tagged me so many things? Did you call her then? Oga, as long as this day breaks. Huh?
You guys have started saga already.
Who started saga?
What do you use on her?
Which?
The other day you are running a program that you are regretting going to her platform, associating with her, all those.
Did you hear me mention Ogechi Okeke Njaka before you say these things you're saying? Now hold on, let me respond to this man very well. Hello? Nga gwago quote ahu dele na Ogechi say make people abuse now. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, it's like network is disturbing.
Yes, go ahead.
You know, you use indirectly and throw a word to her when you have presented the other day. And someone that you throw a word to indirectly can use a word also throw it to you indirectly.
Okay, hold on.
To us to address some issues direct.
Oh yeah, wait. Should I show you? Because some of you think that, I don't know where you stay. I don't know whether you think that some of us don't also calculate. The very first day I appeared on live video, let me ask you, the very first day I appeared on live video to talk about certain monies involving millions of naira and thousands of dollars, did I mention Ogechi Okeke Njaka's name?
On your program?
Did I ask Ogechi to pay back any money to anybody, or I was busy telling the direct person who got here to pay so people their money?
You threw a word indirectly and on your comment section.
What was my first program? Did I talk about Ogechi? What was my first program? I was facing one got here, and this lady came in and was commenting there, trying to bully me that if I don't leave this live broadcast, I will see what will happen now. Should I screenshot them and send to you here? The next thing, she went to Ezu on a live program. After then, I was still facing the men Alahaji because I don't need to fight Alamajiri. She now went on live broadcast on her page and continued. Did you hear me from the beginning? Come on back for this place. Ishi get that place. Come on back for this place. Comment, let me notice and block you. Ishi get there. I didn't make a go from off my own. Hello? Hello? Yes. I need to treat him like one. Hello?
I'm na Facebook.
Okay.
Okay, enye m Ogechi ego. Enye m Ogechi ego mgbe one woman si na di enwe anwụ ji 4 children. Ya should be at the me then. Okay, that girl akpọrọ nwa ụmụ na-ebe akwa. Nyere Ogechi ego. Nye Ogechi ego m again. Mgbe one man ukwu ya nọ na-ere. Anasị nwoke ahụ na-arịa diabetes mellitus. As a doctor, enyere m ego. Considering number.
That caller, please comment here. Comment here. Can fancy them here. Handle to get small. Yes.
I gave my money. That one young now. What young is from one diagnosis, all the Konya one in vessel. All the Konya who with Down syndrome. Some people have call now live video. Give a hand now for direct again door. He tell you here. Okay, so he cannot coordinate. Live video before they go get you.
Ariela the man, Ariela, how the first person got on a camera today. That last person who called me before you called. Only about the size of Ogechi's husband for the very first time.
I don't know who he is.
He was
commenting all the Down syndrome. Down syndrome. My Igbo people are saying because he couldn't even say what you said on your own live program. The trouble I be water on your where my hard working morning at this winter on Obodo Iboye and finally people on Facebook that didn't give it to those families 10 years ago. There are some people who have on a live program because of them when other people on a leg.
Support to go on we are in Hojo. Oh yeah, now wait, let me find his number. I can make we are back at Sharian Bang.
Let me tell you. Somebody paid for that call. Only one in the side of the call. Down syndrome. These people.
Look at now WhatsApp. I didn't show me how picture on WhatsApp. Teacher tie with the eyeglass. Look like human being but to dry current.
You immediately know some English word that is not one. It deletes here because I'm speaking for myself that I gave Ogechi ego twice, and I remember her saying the people came out of Facebook still on here. At least I can English back for 1 month when a gang rape. I heard Ogechi herself came back to Facebook and said that man no a piece of garbage. A man that came to Facebook, I have to give her my $100. Are you kidding me?
Imagine.
Even on your brother call, when you were asking him what you said, you couldn't even calculate it.
Oh, yeah, we fidelity pig. The man who brought that in a boy, fidelity pig. The man with fidelity pig.
Let us see how he looks like, but I'm trying to tell you that he must have a Down syndrome. He's an infected.
I try to post the picture, don't worry.
I will leave you to run your program.
All right, thank you.
Like that, I cannot pronounce the word correctly. Thank you,
thank you. The man, maybe he was paid under the 10,000 to come and call in. Obra the wrong hour. Obra Bobi Ademum. Boy, and he said the caller's name is Cletus. The mother said, hey, Ikagulam. Hello? 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 My brother. I'm on live program somewhere. Please, you can come. Oh yeah, chere. Oh, the man, somebody just commented that he's even based in Angola. And he look like an Angola person. Only commentary him your former. The person say he's a pastor. He's a pastor of Angola. Pastor of Angola. Okay. Come on, back phone on my program. For my program. Hey, the mundo name sense. Support to go when he need her job. Go and look at them very, very well. Or they are the Cobra Hanam supporters of evil. If that was why one guy here in Apotako, I don't need to defend them one go. He was seeking up a security agent. Secretaries are not. Secretaries are support to go when we her job that place. Is this the kind of elders we will have tomorrow that that will oversee the affairs of our kids? This kind of people. This kind of people, the same youth from and support in now. I hope you understand that mad people also grow old. So in this life, these people will later become elders. These people will later become elders na Igbo. Nonsense. My name is Governor Zoku. I want to leave you here at this point. Thank you for being here with me. Ogechi Kenjaka, I was on live video. It is on record. Somebody should help me screenshot right now. Help me screenshot how many we are on this live video. 329 persons currently for over some hours now, up to 2 hours now, with 85,000 followers. And I talked about you just for today. I gave you a special attention today. According to your size. 329 persons as at the moment I left this live broadcast. Before now, I know that many people must have been there. Maybe we started from 500 or thereabouts. Ogechi, I run a program. Let's see. Madu 20 something. 105. Okay, right now we are 333. 333 persons here. And out of these 333 persons, let's say 300 persons are not happy with you. Akuzayon. Think about this. Mwagata here, think about this. Engagement matters a whole lot. The corridor of truth. 345 persons currently watching. They are streaming live here. They're watching live this program. If this thing cannot be a lesson to you, if this cannot be a lesson to you to start adjusting, I'm not telling you to just break out from Ogechi Kenjaka. People want me like this. People want me like this. The day they saw me on live broadcast with Ogechi Kenjaka, that was the beginning of headache around me. People want me. Tell her to use 1.2 million followers, fake followers, a page she bought. Tell her to go live. Let's see. Now, if you are selling something, when I leave this live broadcast, this is not the total person that has watched this program. Oh, I can bet you that the moment I leave this program, this live broadcast, as I'm stepping down, must be above 5,000 views right now. Right now. So 5,000 persons must have heard this thing across the world, and they are going to tell it to one person. So if 5,000 viewers should share this kind of statement and message today to another 5,000 persons, that is 10,000. The other 10,000, tell it to another 10,000 persons. Ogechi is busy recruiting 30,000 enemies against any product she's marketing, against any brand she's close to. She's by day recruiting. As I'm stepping down from this program, she has recruited 30,000 enemies to any brand. Take it or leave it. Okay, leaving this live broadcast now with a total view of 4,800, 4.8k viewers at the moment. If we leave this broadcast by tomorrow morning, please cross check and know exactly. You can imagine if all these people here patronizes your product or confirm you, stamp you to be a very good person. What happens to your company and brand? You go very, very far. We are Igbos, I know. But if there are bad eggs amongst us, then we must figure them out. Wago, this one is not a good brand. It's not a good product to you. To everything they are worrying. Both the other Ewu Zambia recruited in India, shouting. That one is a Bangladesh fool. A Bangladesh fool. On a camera call from morning till night. No impact. And the man alive. COS. COS. Oh no, to check. There's nothing to say again. All I check back to COS. And delay how God works. In the morning, I sang the voice of my mother that says, "The Lord works in a mysterious way. The Lord walks in a mysterious way. Jehovah walks in a mysterious way. In a mysterious way. In a powerful way. It was on the platform of that boy Nachaki Koma Kamrohono. Nanewi, Shizambia Zuzuru Welata. This one I'm just want to sideline that a cookie. I want to sideline that small goat. Open a platform here on his platform. Webo Ogechi on that live video. We go see. Now, if you are avoiding Ogechi Okeke Njaka to your brand, avoid that boy, because for Madin on a Facebook page Mado on a live program where Baba toilet koganyo mamri we go see na that page. Believe you me, both that particular page broadcast Ogechi Okeke Njaka, that page is also cost. There is nothing, I tell you. You know, they don't understand the spiritual interpretations of certain things. Na page Zugo. All yaka that STD no show on camera. If you're following that page from that minute, because it was from there, that anywhere but Ogechi on camera. Ibelibelizin has connectivity to everything you do in this life. It has do you remember? Show me your friend and I will tell you whom you are. Let me open your eyes a bit before I leave this live broadcast. If you are at peace with your wife, either she starts looking like you, sometimes you look like your friend. Either you start, sometimes you look like those people you go close to. Akpobatagi no phone na one room. Ndara mother 10. Lock unu together inside a particular confinement, inside a particular yard. No matter how mad they are, you begin to discover that in less than 8 months, one of the mad person will start falling in love with you, or you start loving the mad person. Believe you me. The moment you start living in the same house with somebody who is ugly, believe you me, in less than 8 months, their ugliness will start affecting your intelligence. The same goes to the moment you start associating yourself with certain people that are so unreasonable. The moment, check bloggers, the moment you follow Ogechi Okeke Njaka or the likes of that so-called Ezugo for 6 months, look back from where you are, look at your data standing far from where that person is. Ask yourself with pen and paper, for the time and the point and punctual opportunities and time you have designated to listen to these rabbit diggers, what impact have they made into your life? And if you check there is nothing, you have learned from them. Do the needful. For evil communication corrupts good manner. My name is Governor Ezioku, son of the great Shanamites. Good night from here.